Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Today, in the morning session, we witnessed a gap down opening for the US dollar, wherein we witnessed some appreciation in the Indian rupee. But again, as the day unfolded, we again witnessed the US dollar cover up all the losses against the Indian rupee. Right now, we are seeing the Euro USD rate in the international markets rallying above 1.25 levels, and currently it has also touched a high of 1.2580. So this is a huge positive for the Indian rupee, sort of a support for Indian rupee. But still we are not seeing that much of a rally in the Indian rupee against the dollar. The rally in the euro and the strength that is holding the Indian rupee can currently be attributed to the expectations from the Jackson Hole meeting. As described earlier, the Jackson Hole meeting is scheduled for Friday, and there would be the US Federal Reserve and other authorities from various central banks across the world from major economies participating in the gathering, and there are expectations that all these authorities would come together and take in some major decision which would help boost the economic environment that is currently lagging and much slower than expected. Also, another data worth noting was the US Consumer Confidence Index, which fell down drastically yesterday. As compared to an expectation of 65.4, we had a figure coming out of 60.6. This is one of the largest fall that we have seen in the consumer confidence data, and can act slightly negative for the US economy in the near future. So all in all, we have the Indian rupee trading in the range of 55 to 56. So today the average price of USD against the Indian rupee is hanging around 55.60. So we can expect such levels to continue. We have a few major data today, like the US pending home sales data and the GDP data. So the home sales data have been positive for the past 2 months. So if they continue to be on similar lines, it will be slightly supportive for the markets and the risk sentiment in the markets. But the GDP data will not have much of an impact on the markets, because already the data seems to be discounted and would be according to expectations. Also, other than the Jackson Hole meeting, we are not seeing any major triggers in the markets. The Great Britain pound, that is GBP, has rallied a lot against the US dollar and has touched a high of 1.5900. So it has also very briefly crossed 1.5900, but then 1.5900 is acting as a strict resistance for it at current levels. We have the ECB meet scheduled next week, followed by the German court ruling. So these two important events would be looked after by the investors. So for trading or a view on euro as well as the Indian rupee, we should keep a keen eye on these data. On Friday, we have a basket of data from the Japanese economy, like the GDP, the CPI, the unemployment numbers, etc. So all these things, all in all, are expected to be as per expectations. If there is not much movement, it will ultimately strengthen the Japanese yen. But yes, if we see slightly weakening US dollar up till Friday, then the Japanese yen could rally against the dollar, and this strength of the Japanese yen could also show against the Indian rupee. So we have a positive trend developing for the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. So we currently recommend a strong buy above 71.16 levels in the spot, technically speaking. In terms of pound, one can also hold the current long positions with a stop loss of 87.65 in the spot. the dollar, if it breaks 56.10, we can expect further rally in the dollar against the Indian rupee. Now, one of the major expectations from the Jackson Hole meeting is obviously in terms of the quantitative easing round 3, and this much touted quantitative easing round 3 is not going to come from the Federal Reserve at current levels of crude oil and current levels of inflation. So all in all, the markets are reading too much into the statements from the global authorities and expecting a lot from the Federal Reserve, but still we do not expect the quantitative easing round 3 to be announced any time soon. So probably the Jackson Hole meeting could be a opportunity to buy US dollar against the Indian rupee, and this buying can be done with a strict stop loss at 55.48. Also, in terms of the euro, we can expect some rally against the Indian rupee because the Indian rupee is weakening against the dollar at a much higher pace. So one can keep a near term target of 70.50 in the spot and take a long position in the euro. Thank you.